What is going on, guys? Ghost here, and welcome back to Elite Rejects Garage. Like, I still have the Christmas float up there. Since, like, probably the beginning or, like, the end of February or January, this is what we've been getting in West Virginia. Like, it's crazy because, like, it was snow. The last couple of days, it snowed overnight. And then it'd be clear during the day. We'd still have snow on the ground. But then it would snow again overnight. Like, school's been out probably for the last 2 weeks. Well, I just want to say, when I went to school, they would have still had school today. Because the superintendent, when we went to school, she had a heated driveway. We always said, she walks outside, looks at her heated driveway, like, oh, it's clear to me. Might as well have school. But I feel bad for the people, for the kids that have school nowadays, because if they don't have school, you got to do the online learning. We had snow days, legit snow days. And like, I've been trying to keep busy and everything. It's just been so cold in the garage and everything. I think it got almost like, it was 0 one night. It's just too cold for me to be in the garage, because like most of my projects are outside right now. But I do have a project coming up. I've been working on inside the house and everything, building, like, me and Katie a bedroom, or a big bedroom, and our kids kind of like redoing their bedrooms. And Diesel, his bed, we're going from, like, I guess a small kid's bed to like a twin size or whatever. I found plans online how to build a Jeep out of wood and everything, which I think I could do myself, but I'm just going to do it by the plans. But we are going to lift it, of course. And they use, like, little, like, wood tires they made. Well, just so happened, I got some 44-inch out over there, groundhog tires that they won't ever go on the rims or anything. So I might make some fake rims and sit those under it. We're like, lift it up. He'll have to use the ladder and stuff, but he can play under the bed and everything with it. So that's going to be a future project. I got to go get wood for it because I'm ordering the plans online. You just print them out. But let's go see if Colossus is stored up. I'm so bored. I was like, I got to go out here and do something because, I mean, like, I like sitting and playing video games and making videos. Not really. I'd rather be out here, but I was like, I got to do something. Golly. Yeah, there might be a jumpy in here. Now, I'm hoping she starts. She should have fuel in it. Oh, come on. I know, this truck just needs cleaned out terrible. I put fuel in it, but come on. I know you want to. Oh no, the battery. That's the battery. You could do this. I know you got it in you. It might not be starting. We don't want to. That's the music. We want to turn it down. All right, let's go. Dang it! And I'm not getting my jumper cables out here just to start it up and just let it sit there. Well, that one ain't gonna start. Battery, and that one ain't gonna start because fuel pump. This was just diesel everything. Let's see if I ain't got my key to my Cummins. I gotta get it. We'll see if the Cummins at least start. All right, we're gonna try to start this up. This thing has not been plugged up and hasn't been started since the beginning of the snowing. Woo. I'm not gonna. I let mine like heat up a little bit. I ain't gonna do the whole like cold start, because sometimes when people do cold starts, it sounds like they about to sling like a daggone piston out the exhaust. So I ain't about that. All right, we start, baby. It runs. That's why I said, a lot of these people do cold starts and everything, and it sounds like they're about to throw a rod out. And I'm like, I ain't in all that. Just let it do its thing. Call me Karate Man. Woo! America, baby. America, right there. That's what strippers are made out of. Now you remember, if your diesels don't start, all you gotta do is take a little bit of stripper glue and put in the exhaust right there. Fire up every time. Shoot out a couple eagles too. Basically, you'll think it's 4th of July. But yeah, I don't know why I started up, but we'll let it warm up a little bit. The kids are playing in the snow. I got the four-wheeler. I gotta order a like a petcock and everything for the four-wheeler and a starter, because the starter every now and then will hit like a bad spot and you gotta tap it. But I gotta order a petcock, because if not, it'll drain all the fuel out, even when it's off, because I guess it's bad. And I had like a half a tank in there the other day, and I was driving around, fuel ran out. I'm like, what the crap is this? It's because all my fuel like dumped out and everything like that. So I'm not going to fill it full or anything like that, because I don't want to waste the fuel. Plus, if we need it for the generator or something. But I do have one of those torpedo heaters. It will take kerosene or diesel, and I've been using like kerosene in it, but you know, like a can that size, $20 don't even fill it up. I'm like, dude, that's a lot. You can go through it like in a day or two. So I want to switch it over to diesel. I think I read diesel smells a little bit, but this garage legit isn't like airtight or anything. So we should be good. I got a wood stove, but I gotta finish fixing it. But that right there, like, it will keep the garage warm, believe it or not. If this thing was like insulated, it'd be crazy. But this summer we're gonna get insulated floor, and I'm gonna get me a damn lift. I've been wanting one, and I'm like, daggone it, I'm gonna get me one. So we're gonna have a lift. That's why I put a, yeah, that's why I got the wrist so high, because I wanted to have like a lift and everything in it. And I don't know if I could put it over here and be able to drive up on it, or I have to put it, you know, I'd rather have it so I have two sides. But I was stupid and had one door and then a side door put in. I should have did two big doors and then a side door. And I was looking at having that done. I was gonna do it myself, but by the time like a door, like a roll-up door, is like $800. That's 16. Plus you got to get, you know, the like the metal and everything for it. Which, I mean, I guess you could use wood if you wanted to. But by that time, I might as well just go and buy another one that has like another garage and everything, and be good to go and have it built kind of how I want. Which I know it's a lot more, but then I have this one for storage, because, you know, I'm a Mopar connoisseur. Literally everything I have is Mopar. My next vehicle, though, when I buy it, probably a Mopar. I don't know. I want an old car, but it's the old Dodge is ticking away. Let's go see what the kids are doing. Lean over. He really is. Do I have Christmas lights up on my double wide still? You better believe it. Hey, baby, wave at the camera. What do you want to say to the camera? Woo! Oh, God. that hurts my knees. Diesel's over there, like, he's like, this is my wheelbarrow under here. But as you see, it's snowing. Oh, that is his dinosaur. Man, if he hops on that dinosaur, I think will pop. Boom. Anyways, like, when I took this down the driveway earlier, there literally wasn't nothing on this, so it snowed that much, and people were saying the road's bad. All I'm saying is, every 5 minutes, if you have to comment on Facebook, is the road's bad, you probably should stay home, because, yeah, especially living in West Virginia, you always need a four-wheel drive and good tires and everything. Luckily, I've got four-wheel drive, good tires. That one runs terrible in snow. The others are questionable. So out of like 14,000 vehicles, I have one. Hey, yeah. Oh, golly, about broke a hip, baby. Well, this is going to do it for this video. There wasn't really any point. I just figured I'd just come out here and ramble and see if anything would start. Brutus never lets me down when the battery ain't dead. Colossus would have started if the battery ain't dead. But anyways, hope everybody is having a great day again. It's snowing like Scarface's like neighbor. I don't know. I was trying to think of something clever, but it just didn't work. Golly, it looks like I have a bunch of gray in my hair. I'm retired now. There we go. Anyways, hope everybody's having a great day. I will see you in the next one. As always, woo! Yeah, America, baby. And let me know if you got snow where you live and everything. I love how there is no snow under the truck, though. Like any of these vehicles, you think it would have done flew under there. But, yeah. All right, see y'all later.